Dear students, good morning to you all. This is just information for you all. Whosoever wants to join Jha classes in English medium batch, there is a notice for you all. You have to learn, you have to hear, you have to grasp, you have to adopt all the rules and regulations. Just I am proceeding before you. Okay? One batch is to be announced from 20th June. Classes will be running at 8 p.m. Monday alternate. 8 p.m. Monday alternate means Monday, MWF, Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Time has been set just 8 p.m. It is surprising for you all maybe. 8 p.m. time is suitable as you all students will be remaining at home. Some guardians, some employees at below scale, they are doing jobs in private sectors. They have also demanded the classes must be in late session so that we can also join and enjoy your classes. That's why this batch has been announced to you all. There is a problem for students of CBSE, ICSE, and some localities, whether the board may be any. They don't know how to speak English. They don't know the terms in English as far as mathematics is concerned. They can be taught in Hindi, but terms disturb all of them. They are very disturbing whenever I say Kshetramiti, whenever I say Laguttam Samapvarti, whenever I say Umra Sambandhi Prashne. They feel difficulties. That's why on hefty demand from all corners of India, I decided to launch one fundamental batch for railway, SSC, bank PO or bank clerk in fully English version. Question papers will be in English medium. It always happens so. Question papers will be in English medium. Full discussion will be in English medium. Each and every term will be in English medium, so that all the students from south states of our India, northeast states of our India, western states of our India, most of the students living there can't understand Hindi well. They may be speaking broken Hindi. As far as study is concerned, they feel very difficulties when the terms of mathematics, biology, physics, chemistry, anything come before them. That's why this batch has been launched by me, and I am going to elaborately discuss about this batch. Be careful and listen to me. This is the date of new batch in English medium. Time is 8 p.m. Classes will be running MWF alternately. Later on, this may be complete week. Okay. Now the system to take admission. How will I teach you all these things? Will be elaborately before you. See here. There are near about 40 lessons, but after merging, it happens 32, something like that. As you have to go through all the lessons, whether you are preparing for POs, whether you are preparing for SSC, railway, bank clerk, particular. But you will be taught here full course. Some of you may opt particular course as well. All these courses will be running. All these courses will be running on our new developed career education app. This is the app on which you are going to join your classes. This app will help you. This app will be used by you all admitted students in this batch. You have to download this app from Play Store. You can do this yourself. Thereafter, after joining, you will be given a code, password, user ID, you may say, from our institution. The institution name is well known to you all, that is Jha Classes Patna. It is certainly a result maker institute in all over India. I have been teaching over 26 years in Patna itself for Railway, SSC, PO, MBA, CDS. My subject is mathematics. Most of you must be knowing me. Thereafter, you will be teaching mathematics for Railway, SSC, Bank, PO, Bank Clerk, CDS, MBA, etc. From anywhere of India, you can join this batch. This batch has been started from 20th June. The time is 8 a.m. By the time Monday, Wednesday, Friday. For joining this, you have to download this app, as well as what you to do. See here. There will be an account of Jha Classes. Account number, IFSC code. If it is with me, I would like to serve you. Let me see. Here it is. Account number must be placed. You may write down 325503766. IFSC code CBIN. Thereafter 0281 281 281 434 281 434. Anyone who want to take admission in Jha Classes, this English medium batch, you will have to pay rupees 4,000 for full course. For full course. In this course, the facilities will be, you will be entertaining your classes on the given app, Career Education app. Entire videos will be given to you. Entire videos will be given to you. That means the videos of all classes will be with you forever. This facility is the most important part of this class. Thereafter, you can participate in online examinations for self-assessments. That is also available here, online tests. These tests will be in 2 modes, chapter wise as well as complete course. Chapter wise as well as complete syllabus, complete course. You may participate in this. Thereafter, one fee another I am going to elaborately say to you, rupees 1500 only. You can join this batch by paying only this amount. But if you pay only this amount, you will be doing your classes on Career Education app. It's okay. Online test will be applicable to you. But see here, no videos can be either downloaded or be seen twice or thrice. I will check you if you pay this payment, so I will check you with videos. Means you won't be enjoying videos time and again. If you pay this amount, you will be recalling all the topics taught to you by seeing time and again. So many times you can see this video will be forever with you. So that is the difference between two types of payment. There is a question that raises in your mind all the time whenever fees is concerned. That's why I have told you bifurcately, if you pay this one, facilities will be this one. If you pay this one, facilities will be this one. Major part is this: in this payment you can't enjoy videos, can't download videos. However, in this case you may enjoy videos several times. Now come to another point. The whole course will be of 1 year validity. That means if you join this course up to 1 year, 365 days, you will be enjoying all the things told to you. That's why you have to decide now. Now I am coming to your syllabus, a part of that syllabus. What does it say? You have to listen very carefully. Syllabus. As far as mathematics is concerned, for one-day examinations like Bank PO, Bank Clerk, CDS, MBA, Railway, SSCs, there are so many lessons in mathematics, near about 40 lessons. If I merge some lessons, near about 32 lessons may be there. I have bifurcated the syllabus. See here. Arithmetic, there may be 13-14 lessons. Arithmetic, one part. Thereafter advanced maths, another part. Thereafter PO special, means topics related to only PO, that is called PO special. Whole the syllabus has been bifurcated by me in 3 types, 3 groups. Arithmetic common for all examinations, advanced maths common for Railway and SSC, PO special common for only PO, somewhat Bank Clerk. You will be taught by me in 3 methods. First, basic method. In this method, you will be elaborately explained all the questions, just like supposing X, supposing Y. This is called basic method. This makes your pillar strong. Means if you know basic method very well, you will feel easy in mathematics. Thereafter, according to the demand of the competitions, this point is most important for you all watching. Tricky approach. Since you are going to join or you have joined for getting a job, not to improve only mathematics. Your target is to get a job. That's why you have to adopt this method all the time in a score for scoring high and high in the examination hall within limits of times. Thereafter, technical approach comes before you. Technical approach means this is also a class of solution in which you save your more and more time. This is also most important for you all watching. All students should be mature in all the 3 methods. Only then your mathematics will be optimum level. I would like to elaborately convince you all these methods in an example. See here. Suppose you have to watch only, this is not only a question, you have to watch only through this, that how can you save your time. See here. Just an example, there is a question. The average of 5 consecutive natural numbers or even numbers, something as a even numbers The average of 5 consecutive even numbers is 62. Find out the least number. This is your question. You have to see the difference in both the methods. The average of 5 consecutive. Firstly, you will have to have knowledge of average. Average means sum total divided by numbers. Average means sum total divided by numbers. 5 consecutive even numbers. Most of you, or even I can say all of you, most of you, even I can say all of you, must know what are even numbers. Even numbers start from 2 onwards, having a gap of 2, increment of 2. This is 2, 4, 6, 8. These are your consecutive even numbers starting from 2, or least even number is only 2. See here, the gap is 2, means the next number is just the back plus 2. The next number is just the back plus 2. That means if the first even number be x, next will be x plus 2, next will be x plus 4, next will be x plus 6, next will be x plus 8. These are 5 consecutive even numbers. I accepted just examples. You will have to add all these numbers. Thereafter, you will have to divide by the numbers. Numbers are only 5, question says. Then this is just equal to 62, as question told you. Now this is called the basic concept. You have already set up basic situation very rightly. This is going to give you the right answer after solution. See here, just calculation now. Now this is 5x plus 8, 6, 14, 4, 18 to 20. 62 minus 5, 57. 5x equals to, just see here, 62, just multiplied, we multiplied. 5x plus 20 equals to 310. 5x equals to 290. X equals to 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are. That means the least number, if question had demanded the least number, 58 would have been the answer. Find out the least number. That is the demand. This is your answer. The question has already demanded find out the least number. That means this is your least number. This is your answer. X was the least number, or X comes 58. That means 58 is your answer. This is basic method. Now I am coming to tricky approach. This is tricky approach as well as technical approach, you can say. Technically, I would like to solve this question. You have to watch only, not the method, only the difference of time. Suppose this question comes again before you, you are going to solve this question in this way. How? See here. 62 will be here, 2 numbers forward, 2 numbers backward. 62, 60, 58. This is your answer. Only this you have to do. This is called technical approach. Answer got in hardly 2, 3, 4 seconds. Maximum time 4 seconds or 5 seconds. This is called technical approach. In basic method, time may be 10 seconds, 12 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds as well. But in tricky approach, this is only 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds maximum. This is your answer. How this method is applicable here? What will be the formula? How will you remember this concept? For that, see here. There is a point when the class runs, every point will be dictated, will be written to you, and you will be copying that. See here. whenever the question says consecutive numbers, natural numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, you have to see whether the increment or decrement is equal or not. If the increment or decrement is equal, you will be eligible to apply the formula. If the difference is unequal, you can't apply. That's why whenever the question says natural numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, consecutively, gap must be equal. That has to be. If the numbers given, remember it, if the numbers given be at same interval, the average must be at the middle point. What I said? If the numbers are at equal interval, the average will be just at midpoint, middle number. That means question told you 5 consecutive even numbers. That means gapping must be equal there of 2, 2, 2. And average question told 62. According to your knowledge now, this is the average of gapping, having equal gapping numbers. That means this is your average, as well as this will be the mid number. That means among 5 numbers, one number is this one. This middle number is this one. 2 will be before this, 2 will be later this, means onward this, forward this. These are 5 consecutive even numbers. Now you can see easily. If these are 5 consecutive even numbers, 62, thereafter even number 64, thereafter even number 66. Before this, what is the even number just before 262 is 60? Or what is the just before even number of 60? 58. So these are the numbers 58, 60, 62, 64, 66 consecutive even numbers. Among them the least number is 58, and this is your answer. So very easily you can answer within a span of seconds. You can say a span of seconds. All the questions will be solved like this. You will be saving your time as far as compared to basic method and tricky approach and technical approaches. Okay, that's why this was just a trailer. This way you are going to be taught. Certainly you will be benefited. In only 2 years we have to make a target to get a government job, meaning you will be in government offices on officers levels post. Not I am talking about clerical. You will be officers in government jobs. You will have to join JHA classes according to the given system. I have told just before you in this video. You must follow. All the systems have been told. If you feel any difficulties, you can call me on 840-995-1743. If you feel any difficulties, only then you have to call. This is WhatsApp number as well. You can write down anything you feel difficulties then. Okay, 840-995-1743. All students who are desirous, who were telling me to launch a batch in English medium, I have started. Now your duty is to join this the way I have told you. Okay, next class will be on Thursday. Next class will be on Thursday. Day count yourself. Thursday, which date will fall on, you count. Thursday will be the next class at 8 p.m. again. 8 p.m. again. All the materials will be in English version. All the discussions will be in English version. There won't be any problem to you all students who are facing language problem, just like Hindi. Yesterday UP board announced his 10th board result, in which in lakhs students failed in Hindi paper. However, Hindi is our mother tongue. This is the problem of India. China is very much strict to its language. Meaning in China you will have to speak, you will have to learn in Chinese only. But in our India this is not so. That's why in mother tongue language Hindi, lakhs of students failed in UP board last year. Thank you for watching, hoping for joining you all.